Fix 1. Check the steps for forced restart. Before using a forced restart, make sure the correct steps, as the method varies depending on the iPhone model. Fix 2. Charge the iPhone. If the iPhone battery is too low, it may not respond to the forced restart command. Please connect the device to a charger and charge it for at least 15 minutes before attempting a forced restart to ensure sufficient battery power. Fix 3. Update the iPhone. Step 1. Open Settings and go to General. Step 2. Tap Software Update to check if there is an available system update. Step 3. If an update is available, tap Download and install and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. Fix 4. Disable Siri activation via the side button. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Step 2. Go to Siri and search. Step 3. Find the press side button for Siri option and turn it off. Fix 5. Reset the iPhone to factory settings. Please note that this will erase all data, so it's recommended to back up your data first. Step 1. Open the Settings app and go to General. Step 2. Scroll to the bottom and tap Reset. Step 3. Select Erase all content and settings. Step 4. Enter your password and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the restore. Fix 6. Restore the iPhone using iTunes. Please note that this method will also result in data loss. Step 1. Launch iTunes on your computer and connect the iPhone to the computer. Step 2. Select your device in iTunes. Step 3. Click the Restore iPhone option and confirm the action. Fix 7. Use iOS System Recovery to fix iPhone system. Step 1. Download and open the iOS System Recovery software on your computer. Select iOS System Recovery from the interface and connect your iPhone. Step 2. iOS System Recovery can fix over 50 system-related issues. Click the Start button to proceed. Step 3. You have 2 modes to resolve the iPhone force restart issue: Standard mode and Advanced mode. First, select Standard mode and then click the Confirm button. Step 4. Once your iPhone is detected, you'll see some basic details about it. Verify the information is correct, then click the Repair button. You will be prompted to download the appropriate firmware package to fix the issue of your iPhone not force restarting. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the repair process. Fix 8. Contact Apple Customer Support. If none of the above methods resolve the issue, it is recommended to contact Apple Customer Support or visit an Apple-authorized service provider for professional diagnostics. Apple technicians can provide further assistance based on the specific situation.